how to cancel all code diversions with deeper reset on the iPhone. So on your iPhone, what you want to do is open up the phone application, then tap on the keypad button at the bottom here to open up the dial pad. In here you want to enter in the pound key or the hash key. So pound, then 002, and then the pound key again. Then tap on the dial key. In here, this will issue a command to your network carrier to basically turn off or disable of your code forwardings and code diversions. So you can see here, it says setting erase sure succeeded for voice code forwarding, all calls, data code forwarding, fax code forwarding, and so on. And that's it. So once it is turned off, you can check on the status by keying in the asterisk, the pound key, and then 21, and then the pound key, and then tap on the dial key, and we can then check on the status of that. So here you can see it all has been disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.